Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making tomato paneer. The main flavor of this dish is tomato, garlic and ginger. So let's have the ingredient. We need 300 grams of chopped tomato, 200 grams of cottage cheese, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, salt, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, garam masala. So take a grinder, 1 inch of chopped ginger, add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 3 green chilies, add 1 tomato, grind it and make a paste. Now in a pan add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add 200 grams of cottage cheese cube, mix it and cook it till it brown. Now add masala paste we have made. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it and cook it for 1 minute. Now add 300 grams of chopped tomato. Add salt, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes mix it well and garnish it with coriander leaf, and your very tasty tomato paneer is ready. Thank you.